segment, we are going to talk about development communication. The term development communication can be divided into two terms, communication and development. Here, communication refers to the use of different types of media for the process of development. It may also refer to sharing of information and experience to accelerate development, whereas development refers to the process that helps in betterment of a society. It may refer to both social and economic change for improvement or progress. When we say development communication, we refer to the communication that can be used for development. It is about using communication to change or improve the way of living of a citizen of a country. A variety of mass media messages are used to transform the behavior or change the socio-economic condition of people. Development communication is not merely a matter of transmitting information about how things can be done better by using available facilities. It is much more than the exchange of problem-solving information. It also involves the generation of psychic mobility or empathy, rising of aspirations, teaching of new skills and encouragement of local participation in development activities. DevCom can be said to have two primary roles, transforming roles. Development communication can be used for transforming roles by bringing social change in a way that it inspires the people to aim for higher quality of life. Here, communication acts as an instrument to achieve these objectives. The second role is the socializing role. Development communication also tries to maintain the established value of the society by playing a socializing role. Development communication tries to build an atmosphere so the planned or proposed changes may be brought about while keeping the social fabric of the society intact. The mass media such as radio, television, newspaper can play a proactive role in helping DevCom to fulfill these primary roles. According to Wilbur Schramm, the role of media in development can be divided into three parts. First, to inform. So, information is power. For the development of the society, correct social and political economic influence is important. Media helps the people to be aware about and develop a consensus upon important national and international development issues. It also helps them understand the various obstacles in the process of development. The second is to instruct. To instruct, mass literacy is an essential criteria to development. This is possible by imbibing basic skills among the people. Mass media plays an important role in this. Mass media can instruct people and educate them. Projects like SITE and Gyan Darshan are few such examples where media is used to instruct people, educate them and teach them basic skills. These basic skills help people to develop their standard of living. The third is to participate. All development activities are based primarily on people's participation. Voluntary and continuous participation of the citizen of the country is necessary for continued development. Debate and discussion help people to know about current issues, participate in development programs, and bring about a change in the society. The content of development communication must be designed keeping in mind the target audience of the message. A lot of importance on feedback for successful communication for development is required. Feedback not only supports the implementation process of various communication strategies, but also helps to assess whether or not the communication is meeting their purpose or aim. Modern communication technologies can be effectively used to multiply the message and reach out simultaneously to a wide heterogeneous audience. DevCom determines the need of the people and give credibility to the expression of those needs. To provide the citizens sufficient access to the communication system to serve as effective feedback to the government concerning its developing goals. It provides horizontal and vertical communication linkage at all levels of society, communication channels through which people at all levels of society and in all regions and localities have capability to communicate with one another to accomplish coordination necessary for both resources, redevelopment and human development. It also provides local community support and cultural preservation. It helps to raise people's awareness of development projects and opportunities, also help foster attitudes that contribute to development and motivation.